Hey Two-Face fam, welcome to a brand new video. This is a how-to video on how I get my cinematic slow motion effect. A lot of you guys has been asking for this, and so I'm gonna give you that outcome today, guys. So I will show you how to do it today. I'm using Premiere Pro, which is a very advanced video editing software that you use on computer, on your PC. You can also do it on Android, however it is a different process. So if you want me to make a video on how to do it on Android, you can let me know as well. So this is going to be the cinematic slow motion effect. Don't forget, like, subscribe to the channel if you are new, guys. I stream almost every day free fire content. Yeah, and let's get straight into the tutorial. Okay, so guys, what you're going to do right now is, firstly, you're going to get your clip, right? So this is the clip here. So what you're going to do is you drag it into your project. So this bottom left hand side is where you drag your clip into, whatever clip you want to use. I'll use this clip here. This side here is your timeline, and this part here is where you're going to see and play back your editing. So we drag this firstly into the timeline, same like a mobile. So you drag that into the timeline, you'll see your clip has appeared here on the bottom right hand side. What you want to do now, guys, is go to where you want to obviously start editing. So you can cut and remove anything you want to. So I'll just go to the part before I get the kill. So if you see I'm scrolling, that's where I get the kill. So I'll go about here. At this moment, what you can do is press C on your keyboard, the letter C. This will give you the cut option. So you can see now my cursor has changed to cut, and if I press V, it goes back to normal. Or if you don't want to do that, you can come press here, which is called the razor tool. You can click on the razor tool, and you can also cut that way. And when you're done cutting, you can press the selection tool, which is V on the keyboard, but you can just press that. So for now, I'll use the keyboard. So you can press C, cut, and then V. And then you can come back here and press delete. We don't need that, of course. So we can come back here, and now we go back to the kill. So that is the part where I get the kill. So on my keyboard, if I press the right keys just to move a bit, it will skip frames. Okay, so that's the part where I want the slow motion to be. So what I'm going to do there is cut it again. So I'll press C again and cut it right there, and then V. So I'm not going to delete anything now, because this is the part that we're going to make slow motion. So for about this part there, I'll make it in slow motion. So we can press C for that to cut again, and V, we can delete that other part, right? You can just press delete on your keyboard and it will work. So this is the part that we want to make slow motion. So what we can do first is right click on this part, say unlink. This will unlink the audio, and you can now delete the audio. Now we take this video, this is going to be the slow motion part, right? Bring your cursor till the end, and then you can copy that clip that you did. Say control copy, control C, and then control V, and do this 8 times. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that is 8 clips. So what you want to do after you have your eight clips there copied and pasted, right click on your mouse and then press nest. This is going to make that 8 clips into one clip, right? Now it's not going to show you the slow motion effect yet. What you want to do now is go into your effects slot. So this is where your effects is here on top middle. So you press effects, tutorial, effects, and then in your effects panel you can type in Twixtor Pro. So I've already have it here. This is where your effects will show. You drag this Twixtor onto your clip. So if I play it, if I press play, it's not going to show any effect yet, because you still need to tweak it. So now that we have the effect on there, you go here, you click on this video again, go to editing, which is here on top, scroll down. If you have GPU settings, you click that and put it on. If you don't, it's fine. Then you go down until you see speed percent. This you make 10 and then you can just click next to it. Right, after that you go to sequence, make sure your video is clicked, sequence, and then render selection. Now what it's going to do is it's going to render it out so that you can play it back and see how it look when the video is finished editing. So once that is rendering, you will see the outcome of how it will look. But that's basically all that you have to do. You cut your part where you want to make it slow motion, copy it 8 times, then make it into one video by nesting. Then you add the effect and change the speed. That is it, simple and easy, guys. So I'll show you how it look now together with the full video. Just give it a second. Okay, so that's how it will look, guys. As you can see, that is the slow motion effect, and if you want to see it with the video before the kill cam, there you go, and you can obviously add your music to that and whatever. So that is how you do the slow motion effect, guys. If you want me to make any other effects on, or maybe the character glow effect and all that things, you can just let me know and I will be able to help you out. But yeah, so you can see, guys, it's quick and easy to do it on PC using Premiere Pro. This is something that you must pay for, but if you can't, you know, just let me know in the comments, and or hit me up on Insta. I'll send you a link or something where you can check it out for free. But other than that, guys, this is all for today's tutorial. It's my first tutorial on the channel, so let me know what you guys want to see next and what effects you want me to do. Don't forget, I stream almost every day, and we do that between 4 and 6. Free Fire, GTA, whatever the case may be. And don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you are new, and share this with your friends, broeders.